Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to manage sunroof. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the car. Right here we've got this panel. Press this button to open and close sunroof. The sunroof is not like the classical sunroof in other cars. Actually, we've got the glass right here that can be transparent or not transparent. Basically, it works like the light. If you want the sunroof to be not transparent, the lights are turned off. The effect is kind of cool. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.